Hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll show you how to easily fix apps crashing on your INFINIX Note 30 VIP. First, we need to find the app that's crashing. I don't have any apps crashing right now, so let's go to App Management and Settings. Here, we want to go to App List at the top, and it will load every app on our device. So I'll choose WhatsApp for it, or maybe WeZone. Here we have storage and cache. What we want to do is clear the cache and data of the misbehaving app. Click on Clear Storage and this will also delete the cache automatically. We deleted the data and cache. Now we want to update it from the store. If your app is on the Play Store, open and update it. You can search for it or click on your avatar, then manage apps and device, and here you'll have updates available. Just click Update on the app that's crashing. Next, check for a system update. Go to Settings, System, and System Update. Click on Online Update. Mine is up to date, but if yours isn't, I recommend updating. Once you've done that, simply click on the app that was crashing and everything works just fine. That's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.